Hi guys, today we have something special. The intro music is from this little one. This is the new Philips Bluetooth speaker BT50B, and this is Murthy Kasturi from ContainsAll. Today we're gonna see the review and setup of this little one. Let's go and see the pros and cons of this Bluetooth speaker. So this is the Philips Bluetooth speaker which I bought it from online, and I ordered it from Amazon, and you can see here the Philips wireless Bluetooth speaker over here. So here it is mentioned as Philips wireless portable speaker. Even though it looks very small, the power, so it is a very powerful speaker, which I opened it and checked it, and you can see it contains one main unit and one USB cable for charging and worldwide warranty and leaflet, and it is manufactured in the month of March 2016, and the cost of this is 2000 mentioned on this package, but whereas I got it in Amazon for 1200 change. So I'm just opening the package to show you guys what you get when you buy this portable speaker from the Philips. So after opening this box, I have seen a small micro USB cable to charge this portable speaker, and there is no adapter. You need to use your phone's adapter or something like that. And these are some warranty and how to use parts, and this is how it looks. It has a lot of color variants, and I loved this color, so I ordered this one. And on the bottom side you can have a reset button, and you have the grip also in the bottom. You can see there a small hole is there, that is the reset button, and this is a pairing button to pair your Bluetooth speaker with your phone, TV or any other compatible devices. Also you can see here there is a button, and this button is for turning the device on, and you can put it into two modes, either in aux mode or in the Bluetooth mode. And there is a LED light which blinks when you power on the device. So here they have mentioned which button is for what purpose. So the look, and the device is very lightweight even though, but it is very powerful. So here I am showing you how to pair it. So here you can see my phone got it detected Philips BT50. I just clicked on it. So during detection the LED light blinks. Whenever it is get connected, the LED light is stable there. So, and also you will have a small sound whenever it get paired up to your phone. So this is how you can know whether it is paired up or not. Also you can change the name of your speaker, Bluetooth speaker. You can change whatever the name you want. Here is the sound test for you guys. Check it out. Even though this device looks very small, the performance of this portable speaker is very good. But for any technical device there are some cons. So let us go and check what are the cons for this beautiful speaker. There is no volume control button on the device to control the volume, and there is no battery level indicator for this device. So in my opinion, I would feel that Philips should include these two options when they are creating any other speaker in the future, so they can get full marks out of 10 out of 10 if they have all these things mentioned. I don't know why Philips had not mentioned given the volume control buttons on this small Bluetooth speaker. And coming to the pros, it has a very good loud sound which is sufficient to fill a room, great looks, different colors to choose from according to one's choice, and it is very portable, can be carried anywhere, and you can have the music on the go. The design is very good and definitely a perfect buy for any music lovers, and it is a must-have device for all the music lovers. Coming to the audio output of this device, it gives 2 watts of audio output, and the battery life is 10 to 12 hours with full charge, and the charging time is 1 hour to 1.5 hours. You will get a full charge, and it is compatible Bluetooth from 2.1 to 4.0. So finally, if you want a device under 1500 bucks, just go for this device. Trust me, you won't regret it after buying. So all the music lovers, go and buy if you are looking for a speaker under 1500 bucks. So thanks for watching, and please like, share and comment below if you have any doubts regarding this speaker. Bye bye, have a great day.